Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover relations between length, breadth, height, surface area and volume of a cuboid, which is also generally called a solid. Before we get started, there are a few terms we need to note. What is a solid? A figure which occupies a portion of space enclosed by a plane or curved surface is a solid. A solid has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape whose faces are all polygons. A regular prism is a polyhedron having two faces identical and parallel to each other. These two faces are usually referred to as the ends or bases. All faces other than the ends are rectangles. A cuboid is a solid which belongs to the family of regular prism. A solid in the shape of a box or a brick is called a cuboid. It has 6 rectangular plane surfaces called faces. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid is generally denoted by the letters L, B and H. Today, you're provided with a net of a cuboid. Look carefully at your net. You will find that each surface is divided into small squares. Let me mark one for you. The side of each small square measures 1 inch. The area of each small square is nothing but 1 square inch. Now cut along the edges of the net and fold along the dotted lines to make your own cuboid. Place your cuboid on your table. There are many ways of doing this. Suppose this is my cuboid after making it from the net. If I place the cuboid like this, then by counting the length of each small cube, I can find its length as 4 inches, its breadth as 3 inches and the height as 2 inches. If I change the orientation, what happens? Does the length, breadth and height change? Remember, throughout the lab, place your cuboid in any one way and fix its length, breadth and height. Suppose I place my cuboid in this way. Its length is equal to 4 inches, its breadth is equal to 3 inches and the height is equal to 2 inches. Lateral surface area is the sum of areas of the 4 walls of a cuboid. By counting the squares, the lateral surface area of my cuboid can be found. If you look carefully, the opposite faces of your cuboid are congruent or equal. So, can I say that the lateral surface area is nothing but 2 times length into height plus 2 times breadth into height? Can I remove 2h common? I get 2h into L plus B. What is 2 times L plus B? Is it not perimeter of the base? So, can I write the lateral surface area in terms of the perimeter of the base into height? Can you now recognize a formula to find the LSA of a cuboid? Total surface area is the sum of areas of all the 6 faces of a cuboid. It is also the lateral surface area plus area of two ends. Can you find the total surface area of your cuboid by counting the area of all the small squares that are on the four walls as well as the two ends? We also know that LSA is nothing but 2H into L plus B. The area of the two ends is nothing but 2 into LB. So if I open this out, I get 2 L into H plus 2 B into H plus 2 L into B. The volume of a solid is the measurement of the space enclosed by a solid. It is measured in cubic units. Today, you are also provided with standard cubes of side 1 inch and the volume of each cube is 1 cubic inch. Fill your cuboid with standard cubes. Can you now find the volume of your cuboid? By counting the number of cubes you have filled. In this cuboid, I will fill 24 cubes. Therefore, the volume is 24 cubic inches. Can you write the same answer in terms of area of base into height and in terms of the product of its sides? You are just about to discover relations between length, breadth, height, surface area and volume of cuboids. Have fun!